There are multiple ways to navigate your interactive experience. You can start by clicking on the overview up here to see a street structure of your entire page. This circle here indicates your current position. This circle here indicates a page or an app. And lastly, this circle here indicates a stage. To go to a specific stage, simply click it. A second way to navigate your interactive experience is to use the breadcrumbs next to your overview. You can of course click any of the pages or apps, and you can navigate between stages in the drop-down menu. Lastly, I want to mention that you can navigate between stages by going into your toolbar and clicking on Stages. Here you have the option to add a new stage or duplicate an already existing one. When you add a new stage, you can click the little edit icon and you're navigated directly to your new stage. Of course, that stage is also available in your breadcrumbs and in your overview. To add pop-ups to your interactive experience, simply navigate to the root of your page and go to Stages. In the same drawer where you have all of your stages, you'll also see a section called Pop-ups. You have exactly the same options here, where you can duplicate an existing pop-up or add a new one. All pop-ups are located at the same level as the root of your page.